In this video, I'll show you how to make a deposit on BalX.io. So here we are on their main page, and all we need to do is just simply click on Wallet Manager right up here. So we have our wallets, but if you don't have an account, probably you can find the link to get access to BalX in description. So all you need to do here is just simply select the necessary wallet. If you don't have it, you can click on New Wallet to create a new one. It will be automatically selected as a primary right up here. So after that, you just simply need to click on Add Funds right up here. And then you can see that we have wallet in Solana. So we have our Solana address right up here. And also we have the QR code. So you can scan the QR code and then just simply deposit some crypto from your Binance, Bybit, or other exchanges. But make sure that it's created in Solana. Or if you have another chains, for example, we can have Ethereum, Binance, and so on. Make sure that you make deposit in currency you want to add to your BalX account. Nothing hard. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.